Ayurvedic system of medicine talks a great deal about the effect of season on our constitution, because in this universe there are 20 basic qualities, 10 pairs of opposite: Guru, heavy, opposite Laghu, light, then cold, Sheet, opposite Ushna, likewise. So every season has a qualitative expression. Today we are in this winter season and there is a snow here, cold, damp weather. So cold, damp weather will increase kapha. And in Sanskrit, this winter season is called Hemanta. Hemante nichitaha shleshmaha vasante kafaroga krut. Means winter is the season of accumulation of snow on the mountain, on the surface of the road and the ground. So that snow represents kapha dosha. And this winter season is mainly for kapha, but because of cold season it can provoke vata dosha. So winter season is a dual doshic season, vata and kapha. That's why patient of asthma, cold, congestion, cough, they feel more congestion, and patient of rheumatoid arthritis, sciatica, rheumatism and neuromuscular problem, they get more pain in this season. So that's why keep warm, keep calm. Have a double, triple, bundle up with 2-3 layers of the clothes, and that way you will not lose your Agni. So this is the season of cold season, therefore cold constrict the capillaries and the Agni from the skin is pushed to the GI tract. That's why in this season there is the early morning when you wake up you are hungry because your Agni is in the stomach. Have a good healthy breakfast in the morning, but try to avoid dairy products, cheese, yogurt, ice cream, as well as any chilled beverages, because they will increase kapha dosha. And in this season you can do nice abhyanga with sesame oil and little mustard oil, that is a warming oil. Take a nice shower and eat kapha pacifying food if your kapha is out of balance, and eat vata pacifying food if your vata is aggravated. In that condition, Ayurveda talks a great deal about taking early morning ginger, cinnamon, cardamom tea. That will boost your Agni and that will protect your Agni from exposure to the cold. Generally, health is much better in this season. This is a healthy season because it is a kapha season, and kapha is a bala, kapha is strength, kapha is vigor and vitality. In that sense, we should take a good care of our kapha dosha during this season. So don't eat cold, frozen food, then dairy product, cheese, yogurt, ice cream, and don't have any pickle because they will increase mucus. And if you get common cold, congestion, cough, take Sitopaladi, Talisadi, Abrag, Bhasma and Mahasudarshan. That will calm down the congestion. And at bedtime you can take a glass of warm water with a turmeric and salt and do gargle. This is amazing. So this is the season of kapha dosha, and we can definitely take good care of our health during Hemanta. Hemante nichitaha shleshmaha vasante kapha roga krut. Vasanta means spring season, which will come in February. That is the season of provocation of kapha. This is accumulation of kapha. Therefore in this season if you do Vaman, which is emetic, and Basti with Punarnava and Dashamula, that will also remove the kapha from the GI tract. Do Nasya, Super Nasya oil or Vachatailam Nasya, that will keep the sinuses clean. And put earplug so that the cold air is not going to the ear and ears are directly going to the brain. So always cover your ear. I am covering my ear with the scarf. That's a very beautiful thing and such a great joy and honor to share with you how to keep healthy during the winter season. Namaste.